Siopaw. Ooh, do you like siopaw, Tinghu? Aldwin, Jomsi, thank you so much for follow, Jomsi. Luzon. IT. Hi. Hello, guys. They're pretty good. I'm not a picky eater, though. Ooh. You need to try siopaw here. Asian siopaw. I mean, not Asian siopaw, but siopaw in here in the Philippines. Did you try one? Mark Twain, hello. Umpakan, Rockstar She, hello. Katsu, shoutout. OZB1B2, hello. 64, my prince, Yamati. Hi guys, don't forget to follow me please. Thank you, restricted, hello. No, I tried balut though. How was it? You know, what? I think it's good. Fred, balut is good. But yeah, if you're like foreign or it was your first time, you're gonna feel weird. Yeah, balut. No, I mean siopaw. If you're gonna eat a siopaw, you're gonna hear it like when you bite some, you're gonna hear some meow 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 meow. Cloud, Robin 21, Charles Dre, hello, ID. Yeah. But that's the best siopaw you're gonna try. Fox, shout out Fox, Jared, Juan Jr. No, I'm just kidding. It's a joke thing. Thing who? I'm just joking. Night Rider, back DOS, LCRX, hello, Venom, hello. It's just a joke. I get the joke, no worries. Yeah. But yeah, you should try one. I'll give you some. WTF. Vader. AB, Jonas Miller, Edison, hello. If you're gonna choose like a meow meow flavor, you're gonna hear like meow meow. But I think they have puppy flavor. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna bark when you try that. Oh my god. Patrick, Axel, hello. Miss Bigo. What? Yeah, I did miss. I did miss going live here, actually. Jean, shout out, Jean. Jahid, shout out. Well, I'm surprised because I have a lot of like views when it's my first live, like today. But I think it's a bot. DS, hello. Guys, don't forget to follow me. Thank you. But yeah, I think I've been on live for about 2 hours now. Anger, shout out Anger. Fred, hello Fred.